Level 100.
Picture this. Hamptons, 7:12 a.m. Your 340-foot super yacht is parked inside another super yacht because why the hell not? The chopper's blades are already spinning. You're on the phone, watching $47 million evaporate in 180 seconds on a bad short. No big deal, you mutter. Then hang up and order another espresso that costs more than most people's rent. This is you, founder, $50 billion under management. 2 and 20 printing money while you sleep, if you ever slept. But rewind, because nobody wakes up here. They start at level 1. Level 1, intern. You're a ghost, literally. They don't even learn your name. 3:07 a.m. in the bullpen, eyes bleeding, reformatting 400-row Excel sheets because the Harvard kid 2 desks over messed up a pivot table. Managing director walks by, doesn't even look at you, just screams at the kid like he kicked his dog. You keep typing. Coffee runs at 4 a.m. Dry cleaning at 5. Dreams of the 2 and 20 feel like a sick joke. Salary and total compensation, $0 and a $14,000 summer stipend. Status level, human printer. Brutal reality, sleep 2 hours. Soul, 97% still breathing. Level 10 to 20, the grind. Level 10, junior analyst. Congrats, you survived. Now you're building comparables at 2% accuracy while the market rips your face off. You pitch a short on some zombie retailer. Managing director laughs, kills it in 8 seconds. Cute. But you learn the game. Alternative data isn't sexy yet. It's just you scraping 10Ks at midnight. First taste of real fear when the profit and loss swings $300,000 on your watch. You tell yourself this is the grind. This is how legends start. Salary and total compensation, $95,000 base, $110,000 total compensation. Status level, paid intern with benefits. Level 20, full analyst. Now they let you touch real money, $50 million book. You short a name that's already dead. Stock rips 18% overnight on some bullshit guidance. Your managing director stares at you like you murdered his family. But then you catch a quant glitch, cover it open, and bank $1.2 million for the desk. First time someone calls you sharp, feels like cocaine.
Level 30, senior analyst. You're managing juniors now. They're the new ghosts. You scream at them the exact same way you got screamed at. Poetic. First real bonus hits, $280,000. You buy the watch. You tell yourself you've made it. Then the market gaps down 400 points and your entire book is underwater. You're on the desk at 4 a.m. rewriting every model while the PMs play golf. The 2 and 20 still feels 10 years away. Salary/total comp, $175,000/$450,000 TC. Status level, respected but replaceable. Brutal reality, sleep 3 hours. Soul 52%, first ulcer.
Level 40 to 70, the pressure. Level 40, associate portfolio manager. Now the juniors report to you and you report to actual gods. You're running $400 million. First time you short a name and the chief executive officer calls your boss crying. Power rush. But the limited partners are breathing down your neck for alpha every quarter. One bad month and your total compensation gets slashed in half. You learn the real rule. It's not about being right. It's about not being wrong when the market's irrational longer than you can stay solvent.
Level 50, Vice President. This is where the mask slips. You're no longer doing the work, you're managing the chaos. 3 juniors, 2 models blowing up, 1 PM screaming about satellite data he doesn't understand. Your first $1 million bonus lands. You feel nothing, just the next fire. You're the guy who has to explain to the founder why the book is down 3% while he's on his yacht. Welcome to middle management hell with better suits. Salary/total comp, $300,000/$1.4 million. TC status level, mid-tier god. Brutal reality, sleep 2 hours. Soul 29%. Kids think you're the Uber driver. Level 70, executive director. You're running $2 billion now. Real profit and loss. Real blame. A quant glitch hits. Your algorithm misprices a credit default by 40 basis points. $18 million vaporized in 11 minutes. You cover it before the founder wakes up. Nobody ever knows. That's the game. You're shorting dying retailers while hiring Vinnies on the side to sit in parking lots and count license plates. Alternative data isn't optional anymore. It's survival. Level 85, managing partner. This is the spying phase. You're not trading stocks anymore. You're trading information the public will never see. Satellites counting cars in Walmart parking lots at 6 a.m. Credit card swipes from 40,000 stores. Vinnies in bushes outside supplier factories with binoculars and burner phones. One good satellite shot on Black Friday can make or break a $400 million position. Your bonus is $14 million. The founder still calls you kid.
Level 100. Founder. Back where we started. 50 billion. Yacht. Inside a yacht. Helicopter. Inside a helicopter. You lose 47 million before breakfast and it doesn't even move the needle. The market is your slave. But here's the brutal truth nobody films on the helipad. You haven't slept through the night since level 10. Your kids call the nanny dad. The only number that still gets your heart rate up is the daily P&L. And every single morning you wake up wondering, is this all there is? So tell me right now in the comments, was it worth it? Would you sell your soul for the 2 and 20? Or are you still at level 1 staring at Excel at 3 a.m.? Drop your current level below, be honest, because next week, we're burning down big tech. Every rank from Code Monkey to $1 trillion emperor. Same nightmare, different hoodies. If you're still watching, you already know the answer. Smash like before your boss catches you, and I'll see you at the top, or whatever's left of it.